got to have an overwhelming amount of proof for a defamation case, yet when you watch the trial, there wasn't, was there?
Well, public figures like Johnny Depp have to meet a higher standard, and that's based on an important United States Supreme Court decision. They have to prove the statements were false by clear and convincing evidence. That's a higher standard than you typically have in a civil case, which is preponderance of the evidence, or slightly more likely than not, 50.1%. In addition, they have to prove that actual malice, that reckless disregard for the truth, or actual knowledge. And the fact that Johnny Depp was able to overcome these legal hurdles, which are much higher here in the States than they are there in the UK, where the burden is on the defendant to prove that the statements are substantially true, was nothing short of extraordinary. This is one of the most surprising legal and public relations comebacks of my 20-year legal career.
So why do you think, then, that the jury came to the decision that they did?
There were two reasons. Johnny Depp was simply much more likable and credible. Amber Heard lied about even statements that were not related to the abuse. She lied about donating $7 million to charity. She lied about leaking video and tipping off TMZ reporters. And she exaggerated about her injuries. She testified that she thought Johnny Depp was going to kill her, that he struck her so many times that she lost count. But the pictures and videos she presented to the jury and to the world didn't support an attempted murder or a felony assault. It showed a misdemeanor battery. And because of those lies and those exaggerations, she lost credibility with the jurors, and they rejected her testimony entirely.
Huge amounts of money, £2 million has to be paid to her by Johnny Depp. She has to pay him $15 million. I mean, it's an awful lot of money, but do you think this was a case about money, or was it more about reputation?
This case had nothing to do with money, and Depp's lawyers didn't even ask the jurors to award anything. This was a case about Johnny Depp telling his story here in the United States in front of cameras. Let's not forget, his lawyers wanted cameras in the courtroom, and hers did not. And for him clearing his name, now he's going to be one of the most wanted actors for every Hollywood studio and every corporate sponsorship, whereas Amber Heard, her career is essentially over. I don't think any studio is going to cast her.
Neama, thank you very much for your analysis there. Neama Rahmani there, who's president of the West Coast Trial Lawyers in Los Angeles.